Okay, let's do an unboxing of this nice camera. So this is the AI camera, so I'll show you everything that comes in this. So I took it out of the box so that way we can do this quickly. So basically when you buy it, it comes with a bracket, so that way you can hook it, on the wall. Or if you want to connect this or install it in a... oh, there we go. Okay, now we can see a little bit better. So now with this, you can twist it, and then you can twist it here, so that way you can put it on the wall or any place like that. So this is all metal and this is huge. So if you compare it with the old version, let's say the G3 or 5 or something like that, the one that is not smart, as you can see, I mean, is way bigger. This is like a paperweight, and this is like very light. As you can see, just the camera itself is like maybe like 2 cameras. The diameter is thicker as well. This is very light. This is like very heavy. So as you can see here in the very back, you have the port, the RJ45. I'm going to put this on the side so that way you can see it. I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it better. So here you can reset the camera. Let's say if you buy a used camera, you will have to reset it, for a few minutes, for a few seconds, sorry, once this is plugged in, and then you can set it on your system. Here also it comes with this port. It seems like a USB-C port. I think it is for service or something like that, but just in case if you didn't realize about this, and then you can put it back the plastic thing so that way water will not get in. There we go. It seems like there is one way to put it. Other than that, I mean, it comes with a sticker that you can peel off. You have to screw it here so that way you can install it. It has all the teeth that you see here is all metal. If you compare it with the other one that seems like all plastic one, you can put it like that. And once you have it in place, you have the other part that I have. This part I have it already in the wall because I'm going to install it most likely tomorrow. And once it's in place, you have to make sure that it's in the right place, because otherwise you have to unscrew it, and because you have these teeth here, it will not allow you to spin it easily like the old one. The old one also it has those teeth, but as you can see, but it's all plastic here. So this is the cheapest one. This is like maybe 120 or 130, and this is like $500. So it's like 5 cameras of the other one. Also, it comes with this plastic. So because this is very heavy, so if you have to, tie this up, this seems like a pipe cutter, for plumbing. Basically with this, you can adjust it, and that's it. Because this is very heavy, you don't want it to fall or anything like that. So it comes with this. Also, you will see it comes with this adapter. This is metal too. So if you have a pole and you want to grab it like that, and then you are going to use this clamp, this pipe clamp, you're going to run it through these holes, and then it goes kind of like that, and that's it. But also you need the other piece that I have already in the wall. Here you have the anchors, the screws, and here it comes with the key to secure it. So as you can see here, you have the screw. Make sure that you don't lose it, so that way nobody will be able to steal your camera. I'm going to put it in. There you go. Now it's easier to move it, around. Also, here you have the gasket, because otherwise, if you don't use the gasket that you see here, you can remove it, so that way you don't have water getting inside of the camera. So make sure that it's there. Otherwise, you're going to ruin a very expensive camera. The reason I made the joke about the space heater is because this camera, I mean, they get like very hot. I mean, it's amazingly the amount of temperature that you get on this. I think for a girl, for a woman, if she hold it, I think she will burn. For a man, if you put it on if you grab it with your hand and you hold it, I think you will be okay. It's hot, but not that hot. I think if you put it maybe in another part of your body, something like that. I tried to put it in my stomach, and it's like very hot. I think for maybe a regular person, they will feel the pain greatly. So this is, I don't know if this camera, you know, hopefully they can hold, you know, for many years and they can last. Otherwise, I think they are poorly designed. They should not overheat that much, or the camera should be, I don't know, seems a little bit bigger, so that way, you know, it can dissipate the temperature, because they are all, you know, one piece, or they should have another type of system, so that way you don't have the problem. Because I have the cloud key, the same thing. I'll show you on the screen. For instance, I have this cloud key, and it's the same thing. I mean, it gets hot very much, and I remove the regular drive that it comes with it, and then I put a SSD, so that way it will produce less heat. Also, I print a 3D print holder for this unit, so that way I can install the regular fan and it will keep blowing, you know, cold air. But with this, I mean, you cannot put a fan like that, or it will not look good. Also, it's not going to last for very long, but it's crazy. I mean, the heat of these devices are crazy. With these ones, the old ones, I never had any issue. I mean, you can leave it, you know, running for hours. You grab it, and it's cold to the touch. But the other one is crazy. So hopefully this video was useful. If you want to learn more about cameras, go to my playlist, and you will see all my classes over there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.